Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer USDT from Bybit to Kucoin. For that, first of all, launch your Bybit mobile application. Then you need to tap on the Assets tab that would be in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. After that, select the withdraw option, and here you just have to uncheck this hide zero balances option. Over here you need to use the search bar in the top, and here you need to search for USDT. Now once you are able to find Tether USDT, you just have to simply tap on it, and here you will be landed on the withdrawing option in your Bybit account. Here you need to make sure that the on-chain option is selected and not the internal transfer option. Now over here it will ask you to provide the withdrawal address. So in order to get this address, you need to launch your Kucoin mobile application, and here on the home page you need to select the deposit option. After that, among the given cryptocurrencies, you just have to simply use the search bar in the top and search for USDT. Once you are able to find USDT, you just have to copy the QR code as well as the deposit address of it from here. Then you need to come back to your Bybit account and provide the address in this section. Now here you need to make sure that you select the same network that you have selected in Kucoin. It can be BEP20, TRC20, ERC20 or Solana or any other networks that you have selected. If you want to save gas fees on the transaction, then I would recommend you to go with either BEP20 or TRC20. So after changing the network, you just have to simply select the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw. Then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, you just have to review the information, like you just have to review that the network is correct, that the withdrawal address is correct, and the amount that you have entered is also correct. After that, you just have to press the confirm button in the bottom, and then your transaction will be processed, and it will take some time in processing. Once it is completed successfully, you will be able to transfer your USDT from Bybit to Kucoin account. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to like. If you have any questions, you can comment them down below. Thank you so much for watching.